You wanna do something nasty? Hit it!
So this is the old battery tray. We tried to fasten the battery to it, but we just couldn't do it, so we took it out and tried to figure it out. It's easier to do it when it's out of the car. So I'm gonna clean it up, and Ragnar is doing his thing. Try to get the bolt out, I think. Yeah. All right. Long story short, this is the battery clamp hold down piece, and yeah, someone put in a battery that it's too small originally for this, for the battery tray and the holder. So I'm making a custom bracket. This one will go on here, and I screw this piece on here so it can clamp the battery down and hold it down. We also had to switch out the as you saw, we took out the battery tray and switched out the screw that was in here. It was too small, so it was rusty, so we switched that out to a M8 screw. And yeah, so I'm gonna drill 2 holes here and just put this one on there, screw it together, and then it'll clamp the battery down. We try fitted this when we had the battery tray out and the battery, so we know it works. So yeah, that's about it. And I got some light bulbs, LED bulbs for, I believe these are for the license plate lights, the rear, and these ones were for the third brake lights, because I think those are the same originally, but somebody at some point had changed them out to these kind of bulbs. So, but I found some LED bulbs, so I'm gonna switch those out. And while taking all that apart, I pulled these off the plastic caps for the license plate lights. They were a bit cracked as well. Those are very cheap, but I figured I can fix those up, and I can order some new ones just to have something for the time being. Okay, this is for the lights for the license plate is sockets. It's pretty clean around here. No bad rust or anything like that. Pretty clean. And then the third brake light we got here. And it's kinda these are the sockets. I think I mentioned them before. Here we go. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and I don't believe that this is original. You can see it's like it's burned down there. I don't know what happened. And it's really, it's not clean in here, so I'm gonna vacuum out this area and yeah, wipe it down with some baby wipes, and yeah, hopefully it'll be a lot nicer than it is right now. Oh yeah, this is the piece for the battery hold down, and actually this is the hardware for these guys, and the third brake lights. I'm real picky, so I painted the hardware because I don't have any new hardware, so I just clean them up because they were a bit rusty and stuff like that. So yeah, okay, that's that. Okay, so the custom battery hold on clamp is done. Maybe a bit overkill, but I mean, it'll work. That's the main thing. I'll keep the battery because it has to be tight for the inspection. I mean, like, you literally have to be able to pull the battery and it just won't move. I mean, that's the whole point, basically. With the battery hold down, so yeah, you get the idea. Alright, so I'll just put this guy on and... Oh, right, let's see. Let's see if you can see it, because I barely can see it. Oh, right there it is. And the batteries, I mean, yeah, this thing won't go anywhere. It's really, the whole car is, yeah, it's tight, nice and tight, which is good, the way it's supposed to do. Anyhow, I don't know how old this battery, it looks pretty new, I don't know. It says it's a sub battery, I don't know.
Sub.
It definitely is the wrong size, because it's, I mean, yeah, it's a bit of a gap there. So that's why I had to custom made a battery tray hold down piece. Just plugged in the bulbs. I haven't put anything, I haven't screwed anything back. I just want to see if it works. So yeah, you and the camera will be the first one to know if it works.